Jason. Oh, I gotta get close, cause let's see. Casual, let's go. Casual POA. Huh? Yeah, dude. We played with Tanish POA, and I was Glaive, right? And I was wrecking, but oh my god, I sold one of my weapon power items without consciously knowing, and then I went back to the recording, and I saw me selling it because I was like, where'd it go? I can't do damage. I don't know why we're winning. We're not winning. I was pissed, dude. And I realized that I sold my tension bow, and I had a sorrow blade and bone saw. So I had no other damage item, and then we were getting wrecked, dude. Like, oh, it was so bad, bro. I was pissed, dude. No, I only sold one weapon. I sold my tension bow. Like, we were wrecking in the beginning of the game. Like, that glaive, he thought he was the crap. Like, the shit, you know? So I was wrecking this fool. And then I sold my tension bow, and then I started getting wrecked. Like, the tower dice were real, dude. Like, it was just crazy, dude. Who are we facing? Who the hell is this guy? Legend of Gods? Oh, I don't know who they are either. Hey, don't mess with the animals like that, yeah? They can hear you. I can put my phone down like this, okay.
The battle for the Halcyon Fold has begun.
Alright, let's go. Crystal Jewel, Ringo. Oh, we got this. I think. Yeah. Forgot he doesn't do damage. He gets his crystal bits.
I know where I'm needed.
What the hell? Okay. Yeah. Dude, he's level 1, bro.
Hero killed. Hero
Owned.
killed.
I'm not even with you guys right now.
Enemy hero killed. Ally is impressive.
Yeah, it took barely. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. No. Look at this one. Oh, get him. I don't think we should fight because Ringo's there. Oh, yeah. He's right here. Oh, the plays. Oh, Ringo's right there. Oh, okay. What the hell? See, that's my fault.
Enemy hero killed.
Default settings are for amateurs.
What? Because he's Jacob's hilarious, dude. You wanna?
Ally hero killed. Ally shut down.
Yes, it's heavy.
Oh wow! Look at that double mine. I'm getting his back. Oh, they're coming!
Nothing comes between.
Been killed.
Damn, these fools.
Enemy hero
What are these fools doing, dude? Desperate.
Enemy hero killed.
That's more farm for freaking Jacob, dude. Oh, both of you are going weapon power. He's not going crystal. You got it?
I don't need directions.
Enemy hero killed. Allies impressive.
I need to start working on my camera movement. I never work on it. My camera movement.
Mining has begun.
Dude, these guys are so salty.
Allied hero killed.
Oh, I was gonna steal that.
Get off my lawn.
Hey, they're heal minion if you want to get it.
Allies.
Damn, look at this mini way, bro. Aw. My flare OP. Huh?
Follow me.
You wanna fight?
Enemy hero killed. Enemy hero killed.
What?
Let's test these upgrades.
Hey, Ringo's pushing your lane, dude. Ah! He dipped, dude. Hey, Jewel's coming up, I think.
Spray liquid cooling.
Come on, me, Gordon. Go. Oh, I thought you were gonna turn dive. I'm about to get you. Oh. I'm gonna stick with you. Hold on. I'll get the
Behind
guys.
me.
Well. You want some bait again?
Default settings for amateurs.
Yeah. Don't even trip about it.
Almost full.
No, he's not even low, dude.
Enemy hero killed. Allies getting ridiculous.
Get off.
Oh, look, he's almost dead.
Save yourselves.
No, Jacob's gonna get. Oh, Jacob, no, he's not gonna get. Yeah, Jacob's gonna die. Oh, he's almost. Oh, he's. Oh. I'm coming, Shiki. Come at me, bro. Oh, what a miss. Oh, oh,
Me and my children.
oh, he stopped. Oh, he did. Oh no, he's back. Oh, oh. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I was trying to Vanguard Jacob. Fuck. Well, he would have died either way.
I go where I'm needed.
Think so? Yeah, they are. Nah, he's going. Oh, they're right there all together. Nah, he's healed.
Yes, it's heavy.
Oh, you're not. Oh, Jewel's so low. Look at freaking Jacob, dude.
Enemy hero killed.
Oh, Jacob's dead.
Allied hero killed.
You're gonna die, Shiki.
Enemy
Oh.
hero killed. Ally is kind of a big deal.
Busted.
Look at Shiki.
Ace.
He could, dude. He could kill you.
Enemy turret destroyed.
You wanna get a gold mine?
Let's test these upgrades.
Who doesn't, dude? They all want you.
Nothing comes between me and my
I survived barely.
I see.
Oh. Oh, get him, Shiki. Get him. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yep.
Hero killed.
The plays are real. He's. Oh, you better save him, dude. Oh.
Hero killed. Ace.
That's hilarious, bro. Oh, shit. You guys got it?
Follow me.
I'm coming.
Immense gold payout collected.
Dang. Good thing he came up, dude.
Ally is impressive.
Hell yeah.
I go where I'm needed.
Oh!
Ally is a nightmare. Enemy hero killed.
Dude, Shiki, did you see that? I threw my gauntlet and stunned the jewel, dude. That was. Oh my god, the plays are real. Oh yeah, dude, don't even trip, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my.
Hero killed.
Jacob, no. Oh, right.
Ally shut down.
Dude, that is hilarious. I thought he was gonna kill him. He's pushing your tank. Oh, I bought 2 reflex box. Whoops. Nobody saw that.
Follow me.
Oh. Oh. Oh, Jules right there.
Immense gold payout.
Did he kill him?
Let's test these upgrades.
Whoa, what the hell? No, that was a glitch and a half, yo.
Your team captured one of 2 minion mines. Allied minions are now surrounded.
Already?
Enemy hero.
Dang,
killed.
the melt is real. Ringo, donde andas? Freak.
I go where I'm needed.
I'll start it.
Your team captured the
Look at Jacob, dude, all hardcore.
Allied minions are now at maximum strength.
I know.
Your
Oh my
team
god,
has
Cheeky,
unleashed
fucking
the Kraken.
stupid.
Default settings.
What's
are
the
amateurs.
score? 17 and 0? Just chilling. Oh, he's hiding. Okay.
Enemy hero killed.
Overclocking was not the safest idea.
What the hell is this? Who's he hitting? Who's he hitting? Oh! Whoops.
Enemy.
Dude, what game is this? This is not even a game at all. Oh, this is so funny, bro. This thing was like not even fair. Oh my god, dude, this is ridiculous. Wow. The god. shit. I'll be back.